it going, y'all? I wasn't able to record a proper intro once again, but it was really nice outside. When I finally put the top down, I haven't been able to do that in a while, and I went on a little cruise with some of my friends, so I hope you enjoy the video.
Wait, yellow in the middle.
Yeah, you can,
Yeah, you can go.
because there's a light there too.
Oh, it's so much easier to turn with a pumped up tire. Oh, and I can feel the back tire grinding right now on the fender liner.
Good?
Yeah. Like good? And then take a left here.
No, straight.
Straight?
Yeah, and then you're gonna turn right on.
Dude, it is so much slower with you guys. I forget every time, yeah.
Is this 9 right here? I think it is.
Turn where?
Turn right, turn right. And I think you turn left here.
Right here?
No, up here.
Oh, bro. Turn left at this light?
Yeah.
I just want to keep going straight.
Yeah, you go straight for a while.
Relax, bro.
I just
People are gonna be looking at me with this freaking camera on my face. Ugh, smells like weed. What?
It looks good, bro.
What, my freaking
Yeah, the
phone
camera.
with the monkey?
It's like the Oregon style.
Thought that was like Spider
Where?
on the bike.
We gotta give him
Oh, I think my car lost.
Oh my gosh.
Just go straight at the stop sign.
Yeah. What is this guy doing?
That's
He's right on the line.
Bro's in the bike lane.
This is how
Yeah. Just which way? Follow this, dude.
Yeah, I think it's left here, yeah.
How does
Right,
this
model?
light
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
work?
and then just straight.
Oh, just like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do it, man.
So Sam Sulek, my Greg Doucette impression. Those who know, those who watch the video, they might know.
Yeah. Still water, yeah.
Yeah. Just straight.
Yeah. Yeah, up here's the fake turn lane.
straight.
Straight,
Yeah. You feel the little bounce before, yeah. Yeah, you feel the little drop and then it kicks. Yeah, it's funny. Oh, I need my sunglasses. Here, can you grab that napkin so it doesn't fall? My Oregon State sunglasses. Thanks. And then just go straight, yeah?
Yeah,
No,
sure.
yeah, it's, yeah.
I think that's it.
That's all the way down.
Are we at 5?
Yeah, we're only going 55. Oh, this is the way we went to the hill, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Should we go back to like that hill, find it,
well, let's just go to that road, yeah.
drift in the gravel?
If you gravel with the top down.
Is it straight? Didn't she turn here?
Yeah.
She turned.
So Samuels. I think she turned right at the light. Or
It was here, yeah.
at the light.
Because
I
we
think
passed
so.
by this place.
Oh yeah, the beard contest on the sign.
Oh, yeah.
The what?
The sign said beard contest last time.
Beard?
Yeah.
I remember they're talking about like Annalie Chapa.
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah. Oh, this is where we lost control
Yeah,
and she
yeah,
swerved. It was like over here.
And there's another one there.
Where is it?
It's up there.
Just tell me where to turn.
You want to go into there?
Yeah, maybe just do a donut in the gravel or something. So just tell me where to turn.
I think it's right before up here.
A right turn?
Yeah, I think it is. Is it right here, Mom?
Yeah. I think it was. Wait, no.
Or was it
Further
farther?
down.
Oh, it might have been further.
Yeah. I think it's like. Is it right here?
Where?
Oh yeah, it is right up here. It's right up here. It's right up here. So it's right up here. Yeah, it's this one.
Right here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can't really see because the sun is in my eyes. Maybe I shouldn't do donuts.
You're gonna hit
Cars.
every car.
Yeah, I don't want to.
You just as your thumbnail, off-roading.
Just a little one. Should I keep going that way? See what's over there?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, let's go like 5.
Just let me know when I should turn around. Bro, what is that sound? Is my window?
This week.
Yeah. I think it's the window. Yeah, it is.